Thank you for taking a look at the Send Out Cards opportunity. Chances are good that you can think of some other people that would be interested in using a system like Send Out Cards. Well, if that's the case, I'd like to share with you the Send Out Cards opportunity. At Send Out Cards, we're taking advantage of technology and providing a service that's more convenient and less expensive. And in doing so, we are changing the marketplace. Every once in a while, a technology comes along and changes the way we think and buy products. Remember just a few short years ago when you would rent a video? You would have gone to a video rental store. Today, you would use Netflix. Remember going to a bookstore to buy a book or music? Bookstores are getting hard to find, and I haven't seen a music store in years. Today, you would use Amazon or iTunes for those purchases. Well, chances are that you didn't have the ability to capitalize financially with Netflix, Amazon, or iTunes. But I've got great news for you. You don't have to miss out again because Send Out Cards is a game changer. We are revolutionizing the way people send greeting cards and gifts in this $100 billion a year industry. At Send Out Cards, there's no experience necessary to join us. You're the boss. You get to make your own hours, work part-time if you want to. You can even work from home. And with our compensation plan, you have the ability to earn unlimited income. Now, you might be wondering, sounds great, but can I do it? Well, I've got great news for you. There's only two things we do in Send Out Cards. Two, gather customers and show others how to gather customers. Send Out Cards even offers a simple two-step system to help you along. Step number one in this system is show someone the 3-minute video which appears on your website and is furnished to you by the company. You can even share the video on your mobile device. Step number two, show the opportunity of Send Out Cards. At the bottom of your website, there's a little envelope icon. When you click on this, there's another 3-minute video explaining the earning potential of a Send Out Cards business. At this point, for those who are interested, you just help them get started. It only takes 5 minutes to get set up as a customer or as a Send Out Cards distributor. To take advantage of this incredible payout plan, you simply make a decision to become a Send Out Cards distributor. You do this by purchasing our wholesale premium package and sales kit. Then you go out and follow our simple two-step plan. So let's show you the income potential with Send Out Cards. Using our two-step system, you'll be gathering customers and distributors into your business. Your goal is to gather 3 distributors and 10 customers and then show your distributors how to do the same thing. Through a process of duplication, you will see how this can turn into an organization of thousands of Send Out Cards users that you get paid on. With 10 customers, you become what we call Q qualified and will now earn a full 30% commission on all the cards and gifts purchased by your customers. When you add your first 3 distributors with your 10 customers, you become a senior distributor. This is your first step towards leadership in Send Out Cards. As you do this and show others how to do this, you'll be earning weekly commissions on your distributors' activities and monthly commissions on all the customers that are gathered by you and your distributors. Let's say you go out and help the first 3 people you know get started as Send Out Cards distributors. They do what you did and purchase the wholesale premium package and the sales kit. Send Out Cards is going to pay you $140 coaching bonus every time you do this. Now, if you were to help 3 people get started, that would be $420 in bonus income triggered to you. And there's no limit here. Remember, your goal is to help your new distributors gather their first 3 distributors and become Q qualified with 10 customers. Now let's talk about the next level, which is manager. As a manager, you're going to get a raise. $140 is still here in the coaching bonus, just like before, but now, as a manager, you're going to get what we call a leadership bonus. The leadership bonus at manager is $100. Now, as you sponsor new people in your manager group, you're going to receive $240 every time. So for the same work you did before, you would now make $720 just for getting your first 3 as a manager. Let's talk about the $100 leadership bonus for a minute. As the people you personally sponsored in your manager group start sponsoring new distributors in your manager group, you will be earning $100 for everyone that comes in on unlimited levels. Now let's talk about the income potential as a manager. What I'm about to show you is a perfect model of what would happen in your manager group if you sponsored 3 distributors and they each sponsored 3 distributors and the duplicating process began. This is what it would look like. If your 3 people sponsored 3, you would have 9. If those 9 sponsored 3, you would have 27. If they each sponsored 3, you would have 81. If they each sponsor 3, you have 243 who sponsor 3, and you have 729 who sponsor 3, and you have 2,187 people on your 7th level alone. Now let's say that all those people purchased the wholesale premium package and all became Q qualified with 10 retail customers using our simple 2-step system. At the top of the graph, we show you the accumulation of the $100 you would earn as your organization develops. At the bottom of the graph, we show you the accumulation of monthly income you would earn if the distributors in your manager group all gathered 10 retail customers. If you total it all up, your $100 leadership bonuses as a manager would be $328,000, and your ongoing residual monthly income would be roughly $27,000 a month, month after month, year after year. Now remember, we are showing you a perfect scenario, so you can see how the duplication process works. You need to know that it never works out exactly this way. Most people do less than what we have showed you, but some people will do more. Let's say that you succeeded by just 10% of this scenario. That would still be over $32,000 in coaching and leadership bonuses and more than $2,700 in ongoing monthly residual commissions month after month after month. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I get started? How much does it cost? Well, that's simple. You're going to want to purchase our Entrepreneur Package, which is the wholesale premium package plus our sales kit. You get your own Send-Out Cards business, lock, stock, and barrel. Your own personal business website is included, unlimited training and support. You also get your own personal Send-Out Card system for life with all the bells and whistles, including our lowest price and 100 free greeting cards preloaded into your system. You get all this for $457. We're planning on growing this business globally in the near future, but today, we're doing business in North America, Australia, and New Zealand. The best news about it is that your next door neighbors don't know about us yet. We'd like to invite you to come join us. Let's grow a global enterprise together. Our goal is to become a billion-dollar household name, and we'd love to have you come along for the ride. If you've got questions, get them answered. But if you like what you see, let me be the very first to say congratulations and welcome to the Send-Out Cards family.